Everyone is craving for this delicacy, oxtail. Let us go in the kitchen and make this delicious, mouth-watering curry oxtail. Ensure that you wash your oxtail before you season it. So I have here Caribbean spice and roasted garlic, all-purpose season, garlic, pepper, and herbs. I have some oxtail season, pimento, green season that I made, and curry powder. And I also had some paprika. You're going to mix well to coat. Let it marinate for about 1 hour or overnight in the fridge for best result. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more amazing recipes. Now it is time to prepare my oxtails. So I have here some garlic and ginger that I'm going to add to the oil, and I'm going to go ahead and add the curry to burn it before I had my oxtail. And I burned this curry for about 2 minutes and medium heat. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my oxtail. I'm going to sear them on both sides. For best result with the curry, you can use better pot curry, but that is not the one that I use because I do not have it at the moment. But the color is looking amazing. I love it, and it is smelling so delicious. And I seared for about 3 minutes. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn them to the next side. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some water. So this is the bowl that I used to season the oxtail. So all those remaining season that was in the bowl, I just go ahead and add water to it and cover the meat. These are some bay leaf that I have that I'm just going to place inside the pot and cover it and allow it to cook on medium heat until it is tender. After 2 hours, this is how it is looking. It is smelling so delicious. I'm just going to go ahead and add some more water and allow it to cook more because I want it to fall off the bone. Now take a look at this. It is delicious, guys. I am amazed. And let me ask something. Why oxtail have to be this expensive? No, sir. Oxtail is very expensive. I don't know why. But look at that. As you can see, it is cooked. This take me about 4 hours for it to cook. If you want a lesser time for your oxtail to cook, you can just put it in a pressure cooker and it will cook in no time. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some beef broth to the oxtail. And here I have my veggies. I have thyme, green onions, carrot, Irish potatoes. I'm going to go ahead and place them in the oxtail for it to cook. Next, I'm going to go ahead and place my butter bean into the pot. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more amazing, authentic Jamaican recipes. And look at this, our curry oxtail is finished. It is tasting amazing. It is smelling so delicious. And I'm going to have this with some Jamaican rice and peas. Now, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and turn on your post notification for more recipes. See you in the next video. Bye.